Hi folks, G3 here and welcome to another instalment of my journey to go green. What I'm going to be doing in today's episode is looking at fitting a different LED light in the frunk on my Tesla Model S. The reason for doing that is it's not exactly a very bright LED that comes as standard with these. This is what it looks like at night, and you can see that there's not a great distribution of light there because the LED is right at the front. It gets blocked quite easily, and equally it's just not a really bright LED, so there's not a lot of light being shared around anyhow. What I've done is I've gone and purchased online some LED lights. I've got two replacement ones, and I bought these from AliExpress and they cost me just over £4. I think it's £4.23, something like that, and that was including shipping. They took about 3 weeks to get to me because they are being shipped internationally. And they've come with a little screwdriver tool to replace them. It should be relatively straightforward just to get the light from underneath. And what we can do is just pull it out from underneath here, I think. Reinforcements were needed. That's better. There we go. I just got to have the right tool for the job. Okay, so that's the light out. So let's look at the next one to go in. So I've got two of these. That's the brightness on the current one. Now it should just simply be a case of unclipping the cables from the back. And then clipping in the new one. Well, that looks a lot brighter already. Wow, that's a lot better. But I do need to make sure that it's clipped in properly. There we go. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, so there's the first problem with this. Is it broken? Yep, that's broken. Great. This one not. Right, it's just as well I got two. Okay, so that one seems a bit better. And push that in. There we go. Right, well that is a lot better. That's clearly a lot better, a lot brighter. I will show you what it's like at night as well, so we can just see how much brighter that is. So this new one here has 6 LEDs. Whereas I think the existing Tesla one looks like it's only got 1 LED in there. So it's no wonder that it's not as bright, but this is definitely kicking out a lot more. So the quality of the components are okay, but clearly we've seen that one of the LEDs broke a little bit, and the tools don't appear to be the best of quality that's come with it. But if you're looking for an easy fix to increase the brightness within your frunk, then this certainly seems an option. But there we go. So it's cost me approximately £5–6 to go and upgrade the light in here. I might use the spare one perhaps on the rear boot, but as you'll have seen, I've already gone and put some LED strips in there. I'll include a link to that video up here so you can see what that went like. And they're great. I really like those additional ones I got in there. But this is the replacement I've put into the frunk to give it a little bit of extra light. So it cost me about £6 maximum, so I think that's really worthwhile. So there we go, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you did, then please click the like button down below, and if you haven't done so already, then why not subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you get notified when I load up a new video. Well, until next time, bye!